So after the recent launch of Poco M2 Pro, which we all expected would be a successor to Poco F1, and it turned out to be another Redmi Note 9 Pro clone. So now all eyes are set on the upcoming OnePlus Nord and OnePlus Buds, and we do know most of the specs about this device now. So in this video, let's see what OnePlus is bringing in the budget category for its use in India. And also I pre-ordered the device and I got this box as of now. So in this video, let's unbox it and have a quick look at it. Anyways, this is your host Manik, welcome back to another video. And before we start, if you wish to stay notified about the latest videos from this channel, do click on that subscribe button and press the bell icon next to it. So this box looks and feels premium, as they provide everyone with a great unboxing experience, be it any device or even earphones. So we get a high quality t-shirt with the Nord branding here and there, and it seems to be of really good quality. And apart from this, we get some stickers and a letter saying that there's a OnePlus Nord with your name on it, and it just means that you have pre-booked one. And they'll let us know about further details soon. So they are going to host a virtual pop-up event right after the launch. So let's see how it goes. And apart from that, we have the AR cardboard invite, with which we'll be able to experience the device virtually after the launch event. And that's all in the box. Now let's talk about the upcoming OnePlus Nord. So it is going to be a premium mid-range device and will have a 90Hz AMOLED display as confirmed by OnePlus. So the screen is going to be really great. And also it will have dual punch-hole selfie cameras. And it will look something like this. And that primary back camera will be same as the one from OnePlus 7 series. That is a 48 megapixel one with an 8 megapixel ultrawide camera. And you can ignore the other two as they are pretty minute. And overall design wise, it will be a glass sandwich design just like other OnePlus devices. As far as internal hardware is concerned, well, it will be powered by a Snapdragon 765G processor, which is a 5G enabled processor. Though that does not make much sense in India as of now, because we won't be having 5G till 2021 I guess. But Snapdragon 765G is a fairly powerful processor, especially for a mid-range phone. And the base variant should have 6GB of RAM, along with 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage. And the top of the line variant will have 12GB of RAM, along with 256GB of storage. And that is hard to beat. Plus it won't have an headphone jack, as seen in images and videos, as OnePlus is also launching their OnePlus Buds on that day too, which will have warp charging and an incredible battery life of 7 hours per charge. But let's see how they'll sound. And those of you who pre-ordered the OnePlus Nord will get them for free, most probably. Now let's just wait for the launch event, and that is on 21st of July 2020. And it is expected that the OnePlus Nord will launch for around 25,000 to 30,000 price segment in India. Anyways, I'll get my hands on one as soon as it is available to buy. So stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't already. So do like this video if it helps you out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.